Harbour can come forward with KJ Fletcher. Oh, lovely touch to go around Ryland Campbell. Stops, cuts inside. Twinkle toes at the box. Shot now coming in, blocked. Stops, cuts inside. Twinkle toes at the box. Shot now coming in, blocked. And appeals for a penalty, waved away, but now it's Jelani Harvey. Shot saved. Dixon. Oh, that the passes are going to have to require a bit more pace than they'd have initially liked. A lovely ball over the top now for Harbour, and before he could get the shot off. Tackle coming in there at the right time. Collins. A pass trying to find its way to take one Underhill, and he's onside, has a strikeout goal. Oh, he's hit the post. Make something of it, but just couldn't beat the post. And he still somehow has one possession, Romy Henry, and in the end, there's Holloway driving forward, trying to slip it in behind for Clark. That's a shot saved by Singh, but referee's whistle goes. There good defending there. A lovely pass now for KJ Fletcher, and instantly gets his four. KFA scrambling to clear, and they're still not out of the woods yet. And I have to say, I can't quite understand why so many players are dribbling in their own box. But now here's Robinson, has a shot, and it's made its way all the way to Underhill. Passes it to Ellis, sits down a defender. Predictable now. Ooh, it's falling to Wallace. Didn't deal with it well there. Oh! Not too far away. Brown. Back to Wallace. Romy Henry gets it out from under his feet. And that attempt was not. J. Fletcher. Once more trying to cut inside. Getting space as well. Still going. As a shot. And did the hard part. He got past all those bodies, but tried to win a goal kick rather, but Lewis gets the ball to Hay. And Damar Wallace put some power behind it, but a bit too much power. Couldn't find him. That's cleared by Harbour. Now have a counter attack, and it's gone all the way through now with Shannon Power. Oh, no. Stopped short of his run, and so he'll just compose himself before taking this corner kick. Not a lot of numbers forward, given the dire nature of the situation, and in the end it's a poor set piece. It's falling back to Power. Oh, he scored!